People have been seeking enlightenment over several lifetimes. How is it possible now?
See, when I look at a person, I do not see him as a first-timer. I can only see millions of years behind him. So I believe that all of humanity have finished all the work they need to do. I think everybody is well prepared through so many lives. And therefore, now is the time to get it. All the hard work has been done. I think everybody has done his hard work and the fruit is there to be had.
Bhagwan, when you say people will become enlightened spontaneously, what will this look like in practical terms?
In practical terms, the world would look very different. We would not be able to talk in terms of my being an Indian or you being an American or somebody being an African. We cannot talk in terms of races or nationalities, or I can't say I'm a Hindu, you're a Muslim, or you're a Christian. So all these things which divide man would just disappear. Not that man gives up these things, they naturally drop off. There's no need for these things. We become just human beings. No kind of division would ever exist. We would all become like one family. It's not that it is a concept or that we arrive there. It just happens. That is when we truly become humans. But as long as we are going to divide ourselves in terms of nationality, religion, culture, race, we still continue to be tribal and very primitive. We would have truly become human. That would definitely happen.
There are many people who are consciously destroying the earth for their own self-centered pursuits. What about these people?
All this would dramatically change. Because man would soon realize that earth is a living organism, that he depends on it like his mother. So nobody would even dare think of harming the earth. Not as some kind of education, but as a natural happening. That's what would happen. So we are going to see a very different earth, a very different world. I'm not speculating, I'm just speaking directly from the visions thousands of people have had over the last decade from various continents, in fact.
Many scientists are predicting global warming, possible ice age, or a major environmental catastrophe. You, on the other hand, are so sure of planetary enlightenment.
Their predictions are quite true, but what they are not aware of is that we have seen in our visions a great transformation sweeping across the planet, which in turn prevents these things from happening. And already we are seeing signs of people becoming enlightened. We are seeing it in some Indian villages, how it's able to spread rapidly, and the consequences on the environment we're able to see on a very small scale. So from that we are able to predict that on a global scale this transformation is going to occur, which is what is going to save the earth. If that does not happen, then what the scientists are predicting would very well come true. But there's no need for them to lose hope, because things are going to change dramatically. In a very unexpected way, things are going to change. That's why, in fact, we are telling people the house is on fire. Let us move faster. Let's hurry up.
When people become enlightened as a collective, would it actually change the physical quality of the earth also?
There's a very close correlation between human consciousness and the physical processes occurring on the planet. So the moment the conflict levels are reduced in human consciousness, we find dramatic changes at the earth level also. Like you will find a reduction in insects, in pests, and the nature behaving in a much better way, reduction in floods and volcanic eruption. All these things are a natural consequence of the reduction of conflict in man's consciousness. Because there is such a close correlation between the two.
So, Bhagwan, do you have any plans to travel outside India?
Certainly not in the near future.
Okay.
Maybe sometime it may be possible. Because I don't really need to travel. I can do my work from wherever I am.
Do you feel your work would be over sometime?
Most certainly, yes. Because the moment the world is enlightened, I think my work is over. The moment humanity has become one humanity, there's complete oneness, divisions have ceased, all kinds of divisions have ceased, I think my work is over. I am here to remove all divisions in whatever form they might exist.
Bhagwan, is there something you would like to tell the people of this world?
I would like to tell them that though humanity faces a lot of obstacles and danger seems to be lurking around the corner, I would like to tell them that redemption is around the corner, that we are going to make it.